guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I used my Smoke Sessions palette from Melt Cosmetics. So if you want to see how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay guys, I've already primed my lids. I'm going to go in with the small tapered blending brush from Sigma, the E45, and I'm going to pick up Space Queen, that dark green right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease. You can see how pigmented these are. Now I'm just going to start to kind of blend upwards. And with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to give it a nice blend. I'm going to go back in with that dark green, that Space Queen color. And I'm going to go back in and use that same blending brush and just give it a nice blend. Now I'm going to go in with ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm going to take that on a flat brush like this, and I'm going to cut my crease. And then I'm just going to use my finger to blend that into the outer V some. Until you have something that looks sort of like this, which is this awesome green. That right where the dark green Space Queen meets. And just pack that on as much as you want for intensity. The tooth, which is middle greenish color, it's more of a lighter green. And I'm going to put that more on the center of the lid, give it kind of that pop. And then blend it into the darker green. These shadows are super smooth. Then I'm going to go in with Blue Dream, which is this really light greenish blue. And I'm going to take Fix Plus and Max Fix Plus and spray my brush to really get the intensity out of that shadow. And to get more control on the inner corner. you have something that looks a little like that. And then I'm going to go in with my Sigma shader crease brush, the E47, and I'm going to pick up Sour Diesel, and I'm going to darken up that crease just a little bit. So now I think I want to bring some of the gold into the look. But first I'm going to take Space Queen, that dark green color, and I'm going to place that right along the outside quarter of my lower lash line and just kind of place it there. Like so. And then I'm going to take that mean green and just kind of put it and blend it into it. Like that. And then Sweet Tooth, a little bit of that right there. And then I'm going to do the inner corner Gravity OG, this gold right here. And I'm actually going to spray my brush with Fix Plus to a more intense inner corner highlight. Yes. I'm going to clean this up when I'm doing the rest of my face. Now I'm going to take some gel liner, cream liner I should say, and I'm just going to put that, there's the dog, the cat's on the other side of the bed, and I'm just going to put it just a little bit right here. I'm not doing a wing today. The intensity of these shadows are to die for. And I'm just going to put that in my waterline so that it looks a little something like that. And I'm just going to throw some lashes on and do my mascara and do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. So actually guys, I wanted to put a little bit of glitter. This is from Beauty Bar Baby Jelly Glitter in the color, oh, I don't know how to say it, Basilisk. It's this awesome, hold on, come on and focus. Come on and focus. I don't know if you can see, but it has green reflex and yellow, and I just think that this will kind of go good with this look. How cool is that? I'm just going to put it just right here, I believe. So I'm just going to take a little bit like this. And I'm going to pat it. Pick up a little bit more. It's super affordable. I think it's like, I'll have to check the website, but I'll link the website down below. It's an indie brand, but super cute, cool things. So you don't even need a glitter glue, because this will just dry up and stay. So I'm just going to put a little bit right there. And I'm going to be putting on House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe.